best shortcuts animations for iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to use the shortcuts, then what you need to do is first, you need to create them. So you need to set it up. So in order to set it up, you just need to simply go with your Shortcuts app, search for Shortcuts, and then tap on it. And then you need to tap on the automation, which is on the bottom, and then go with the plus, which is on the top right, and create an automation. Now you can go and select any automation that you're comfortable with. Like, for example, I'll go with low power mode, which is right here. Click on it, and then run after confirmation or run immediately. I'll choose immediately, and then notify when run, and go with next, which is on the top. You can select battery level and choose false below 20%, and then add to set low power mode action button. Or you can also go with do not disturb. Now, when the do not disturb will be turned on, what you want the device to do, you will be able to select that on the next, which is right here. If the do not disturb is turned on, you can just open books or open Amazon or open your camera. You can go and select the automation or the shortcut. So if you go with sleep, bedtime begins, and then go with next, which is on the top, and then go with create a shortcut, and then go with an action from below and select an option, and then go with the tick, which is on the top right. And that's it. The automation has been added. In this way, you'll be able to add automations for your iPhone. You can also create some personal automations if you want to. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.